We are a 5-jurisdiction effort at developing a methodology for determining which when do we do what in terms of cooperation, collaboration, or all the way up to joint governance. And it includes 5 local health jurisdictions and 1 tribe. So the development of that format will give us structure for us to continually evaluate our efforts together to serve the people of Southwest Washington. What we hope to accomplish is to develop a structure, a way of working together so that we can determine when is the project better at a regional level, when it's better at a local level across the 5 jurisdictions, which includes recognized tribe. Some of our biggest challenges are some of the changes in the elected officials that we have now on the various governing boards. That we've just gone through election. There was been a group who've been very much used to working together. That group is no longer the same group in office. Personalities, some of our key members have now gone up to the state legislature, as a matter of fact, or gone up to being secretary for the Department of Health for Washington. So it has to transcend personality, and we have to keep chugging along and get the structure to replace those of us who may not be there in the future.